Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Very exciting today. Well, I'm very excited. I've been sent an air purifier from Resiners to try out. So we'll be getting to that shortly. They also, didn't even know they did dried flowers, they have also sent me this pack of dried flowers. There's 4 packets in the set and they come in different colours. And I picked the violet. I just really liked it. I love purple. Get some leaves, some greenery as well. In the packet comes actually a really sturdy, good quality pair of tweezers for your dried flowers. So we'll be using them today. I'll be using them with these Easter egg molds. They're just like, what do you call them? Ornaments, basically. They stand up like that. So we'll be using them with the dried flowers. So I'll get some resin mixed up. I'll switch the air purifier on and off we go. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Resiners have kindly sent us the air purifier and some dried flowers. All I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how well it's packaged. I've not taken it out yet, so we'll have a look together. Nice sturdy box. Ooh, look at it. Right, you get your plug in your cable. Wow, it's a monster. Look at the size of it. Right, when you get the machine, it's very, very well packaged. And on the base here, it's got an arrow on the back. You twist this unit off, and there's a HEPA, I'm trying to remember the name of it, HEPA H313 True Composite filter inside. Now, it does say on the top of the filter, this way up, so make sure you get that right. And then, of course, it's got a little lead that you plug into the filter. You twist this back on. Do not forget to take the plastic off the filter. Definitely not. And remember to plug that lead into the filter. I'll show you these now. We've got your power button. That's the timer. So if you're going to be leaving the room, and you can set it for a couple of hours, it goes up to 9 hours. And at least you know it's going to switch off on its own. Auto button. I'll press it and I'll just show you what it does on the dial. There. All 3 speeds together. I'll switch that off because it's very loud. That's your fan speed. If you don't want to use auto, you can change the fan speed low, medium and high. You've got your temperature, which is there. It says it's 20 degrees in this room. Now you can change it from Fahrenheit to centigrade depending on what part of the world you're in, what you prefer. That's humidity. It tells you what the humidity is, which 47%. I'm quite surprised. Now the important stuff. TVOC counter there. That's total volatile organic compounds. That's what your resins, your alcohol, nail varnish, obviously we did it with my nail varnish, that's what they all give off. That's the harmful stuff. Now when it's under 0.5 the light will be green. When it's 0.5 to 1 it will be yellow. That's kind of medium. Under 0.5 absolutely great, safe. That's what you want. Anything over 1 it'll turn red, and then like I say, it'll do its thing, clear the air. When you first open the machine, you need to give it 3 minutes for the sensor to warm up. It'll do its thing. It's sort of like climatizing, but it does need 3 minutes when you first switch it on. As you can see now, it's only been a couple of minutes. It's cleared the room. It's back to green, and it's on 0.152. I don't use a mask when I'm talking. I always wear a respirator as soon as I start mixing the resin. Now that's my choice. I wouldn't advise it for anybody else. But I have been slightly concerned about it, you know. Obviously, when I'm not talking, the respirator goes back on. It's always at the side of me ear. So this, I'm very, very curious to see if this will sort out. The last couple of days, I just think it's amazing so far. I think it's absolutely amazing. Just gives me a bit of peace of mind just for them, you know, 5 minutes, whatever it is, 5 minutes that I'm not wearing a mask. Like I say, do not advise that. That is my choice. Right, so we'll get the resin mixed up and I'll be right back with you. Right, resin's mixed up. I've just mixed up a bit because I'm going to be working from the back upwards. Normally I work the other way around. I've got this powder. It was a freebie from Temu. It's like a pearl white. It's lovely. Very, very nice. So I'm going to use that to do a backing coat. So I've only mixed up 100 mils of resin. And the resin I'm using today is T-Expert. Right, so we'll colour it. I don't want a very thick backing on it. I just want it nice and thin. I don't like them lines much that you get around the side when you do different colours. Sometimes can't be helped, but yeah, I don't want it today. I'm trying to find a cup that's not got any glitter in. Right, I'm just going to do a bit first, so I'm decanting it into this smaller cup. It's sat on a heat mat. Right, let's get a bit of this in, shall we? I'm sorry if you can hear the fan in the background. I thought I'd leave it on just so you know, because I've just mixed my resin up. It's gone all the way up to 9.9 and the fan's kicked into full power. So it's just filtrating the room, but you will be able to hear it throughout this video. Oh, that's lovely. I don't know whether to put any glitter in. It's already pearlescent, isn't it? Yeah, that's lovely. Very, very nice. Right, let's see how far it does. I'll do the big one first. Oh, something flew in. What on earth is that? Oh, like I say, nice thin layer. Let's give it an helping hand. How's everybody doing today? Hope everyone's alright. It's absolutely beautiful here. We've had nothing but good weather for a couple of weeks, it's ace. Right, the little one. That should be enough, I would say. There we go. Right, let's give it a spritz with alcohol, 99% alcohol. We're just going to let that cure. Right, this layer's cured now. I've mixed up some resin. I've picked the flowers. I'm going to be using this packet. I might use some of the others depending on how many I use, but I like the daisies in that one. And I'm going to be using the greenery. Now I'm going to work from the back forwards, like I said. So I'm going to be putting the greenery in first. There we go. So we're just going to put, I'm sorry about the fan, but that is the point of the video. You can hear the fan in the background. As I've just mixed the resin, it's powered up again. I'm going to put a thin layer just to stick the flowers down for now. There we go. Make sure this has got enough as well. There we go. Let's get it to the edges. That should be enough. I'd say that's plenty. I've just used plain for now. I will be putting a bit of glitter in the final coat. We want a bit of something, don't we? There we go. Lovely. And make sure my hands are not sticky. The tweezers that we get in the pack. And I'll give you some music while I do this. It's still soft. I don't want a line from the side view. I don't want a line, so I've kept it soft. Some of them have floated up, and I'm quite happy about that because I want it looking a bit 3D. So that's all right. So let's pop a bit. I've mixed 200. I'm pretty sure this is far too much, but as you can see, I've made extras already. It's on a heat mat, so it's only been about 2 hours, I'd say. Let's get a bit of this in. Don't want too much, I just want a little bit. That should be enough. I don't want the glitter taken away from the flowers. Let's give that a mix in. I've mixed very, very slowly, which is not like me. Don't want any bubbles. Although in all fairness, not used this Tea Expert resin long, and not too bad at degassing. Right, there we go. I'm hoping I've not put too much glitter in that, but we shall see. And hopefully I get to dome it. There we go. Now if anybody is worried that I'm gonna just be leaving the fan noise on throughout all my other videos, it's at the side of me ear for the moment while I'm doing this video. I've got a place for it over this side further along, so will not be interrupted by fan noise, although very good for my lungs, I would imagine. Right, let's see if we can get a dome on it without going over. My eyes are terrible, and I've got my glasses on. I think that's that one. Tiny bit more in here. Didn't need 200, did I? And it's on a heat mat, so the bottom layer is hot. It's going to help to cure this layer. Really isn't going to take long at all. Right, let me get down so I can see it. Tiny weeny bit more in this one. I really don't want to have to top coat them. Not that it's much of a problem, but if I can get them domed. which also means I can't use alcohol because I don't want to break the surface tension. And we're a bit even here. Let's see, can I get that under without disturbing? There we go. I think that's fine. I'm going to use my heat gun very gently because I don't want it blowing everywhere, and I'll let these cure it and I'll come right back to you. Right, they're all cured now. They're still a bit warm, but we'll take them out nonetheless. I need the deburring tool around there, just a little bit of overhang. Oh, we've got no lines. Oh, they're pretty. That's very, very pretty. The big one. Right. The fan, as the air purifier has cleared my room now, it's all on green and lovely. Wow, that's pretty. No lines again. That's good. They do stand up like that. Aren't they lovely? Very nice flowers. Now, I did think I would put some jute string around it, but I think it'll take away from the flowers. Let's just have a recce. Thought it'd be nice with a bit of string around there, or a bit of ribbon. Don't know. Now, I did off camera, while the resin was still wet, I did put something in each of them, something small, and I'm just going to leave it on there, and when you see it, I want you to write in the comments what it is. You might not see it straight away, but yeah, and I will be putting some photos at the end. Right, perhaps a ribbon would be best and a bow. I'll tell you what I'll do, we'll give it a try, shall we? See what it looks like. Try a purple one. I haven't got any lilac ribbon, or else I would have used lilac ribbon. Or maybe a lavender. I want it at the side there. I'm just going to do a ball. I'm doing I've done it upside down. Honestly. I can do balls, I promise. Let's put this one underneath as well. There we go. Make it a bit smaller. What does everybody think? Does it take away from the flowers? I think it does, perhaps, doesn't it? Yeah. Right. I will sort something out for them and I'll put it in the photos at the end. But I just want to say thank you to Resiners for sending me the Purair purifier. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I've used it for a couple of days now, and the peace of mind it's given me is unbelievable. It's here at the side of me. You can't hear it because it's cleared the room. I just think it's great. So thank you very much, Resiners, and thank you to everyone for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.